Hayley West, and Barnyarns have asked me to come along and talk to you about the passport range. We've got the passport 3 here. There are 2 passport machines within the range, the passport 2 and the passport 3 that we've got here. So I'll tell you some of the comparisons between the 2 as we go along. Both of them come with a fabulous hard cover, and the thing I love about the cover with this one is you've actually got a storage place for your foot pedal to go in, which is brilliant. So there's no chance of you losing that. You can pop that in there and obviously protect your machine with that cover, which is key. The passports are fabulous machines. They're just little compact machines, but you don't lose any of those features. So with the Passport 3, you're looking at a little over 6 kilograms, 6.3 kilograms, so incredibly portable. So if it is a case of that you haven't got a dedicated sewing area and you're having to move this in and out of the kitchen or on and off the dining room table, then you don't have to worry. It's really easy for you to move, and of course the cover means it is protected when you're not working with it. Now the Passport 3 comes with 99 stitches, all on this fabulous little stitch guide that slides in and out of the machine. Passport 2 has got 70 stitches on this on that particular one, and within this one you have got some fabulous stitches that will stitch out to up to 7mm wide, so a really good swing width with those stitches, but more about those in a little while. Nice easy threading system, as is always the case with Pfaff. So you've got your bobbin winder at the top there, you pop your spool of thread on like so, and you follow the guide right the way through, right down to where you've got your needle threader. So again, your needle threader makes it nice and easy for you to thread up your needle, and then at the back there you will have your one-step buttonhole lever, which obviously you bring into play when you're doing your buttonholes. Nice area across here, as you can see, with your imperial as well as your metric markings on there. So if you're a quilter, if you're a dressmaker, then you've got all of those featured in there. And then your clear cover for your drop-in bobbin, so you can see how much bobbin thread you've got there before you get started. And if I just turn it around, you'll be able to see that you have got the IDT system with the Passport 3. The key thing with this is the first machine within the range of machines that we see from Pfaff with that inbuilt IDT, which acts like a walking foot. So if you have been considering the smarter machines, or you're upgrading from a smarter machine, that's certainly something worth considering. Got your accessory box, which slides on and off, and of course if you do want to go for the extension table, you can open up the working area that you've got, and of course here is the perfect place for you to store all your bits and pieces relating to your machine, so you don't lose anything, and that slides back on nice and easily there as well. So working our way up the machine, got your reverse button, as you can see there. You've also got your start stop button, so you can operate this without using a foot pedal, perfect if dexterity is an issue for you. And then as we look to the control panel here, there's a couple of different features that you'll find on the 3 that you won't find on the Passport 2. First one is your scissors. So with the Passport 3 you can automatically cut your threads as you're working when you come to the end of your sewing. You can't do that on the Passport 2, so that is a consideration. Then you've got these buttons here, so you've got your needle up, needle down, and you've also got your tie-offs there, as you can see there, so obviously tying off your threads at the beginning and at the end of your sewing. Then you've got the repeat with regards to your your stitches, the stitch length, the stitch width, all of those covered with regards to these, and you can see the arrows showing those. The top, you've got your tension, so you're going to be able to alter your tension manually using the dial there, and also you've got your foot pressure, which again you can alter manually just to the side. Then you've got your little window. Now the window will tell you which of those stitches you have selected, so you can see down the side here you've got your 99 stitches. Lovely range of utility stitches, quilting stitches, buttonholes, a variety of those. So there's a whole host of different stitches. So to select your stitch, you just find the little number that's by the side there, say number 49, and you key that into your machine. So you'll see that obviously you work your way through, so 49 is your stitch there. Now if you want to know which foot to use with it, then you just press the information button there, and it will tell you which of the feet that you need to operate, and then you can play around with your stitches here to alter the width or the length, as I say, up to 7mm wide. Then of course you have got your regulator with regards to your speed down at the front here. So that is if you're stitching without the pedal and you're wanting to regulate your speed using your start stop button, you just slide that up and down. So you can see it's a fabulously compact little machine, Perfect is a bit of a buddy machine. Maybe if you are working with something that's an embroidery machine and you want to do a little bit of foundation work with your seams, then you could work with this one alongside it. Lovely one as a starter machine, and one that you're not going to outgrow. So yeah, fabulous machine. Now of course, if you want any more information, you can speak to the Barnyarns team, either give them a call or jump onto the website. But yeah, that's Passport 3.